The automotive industry is undergoing a massive transformation. This change is not just a trend, it's a revolution that is reshaping the way we think about transportation. From the factory floor to the design studios, innovation is at the heart of this movement. Electric vehicles are no longer a niche market, they are becoming a common sight on our roads, in our cities, and even in our driveways. The infrastructure to support them, like charging stations, is expanding rapidly. They are quickly becoming mainstream. More and more people are choosing electric vehicles for their daily commutes and long-distance travels, thanks to their efficiency and environmental benefits. This shift is driven by incredible technological advancements. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to improve battery technology, making electric cars more reliable and efficient. We are seeing better batteries, faster charging, and smarter cars. These advancements mean that electric vehicles can travel further on a single charge and recharge in a fraction of the time it used to take. The future of mobility is electric. This isn't just a prediction, it's a reality that's unfolding before our eyes. The roads of tomorrow will be filled with electric vehicles. Gone are the days of clunky, limited-range electric cars. The evolution of electric vehicles has been remarkable, transforming them from quirky experiments to high-performance machines. Today's EVs are sleek, powerful, and packed with cutting-edge technology. They offer features that were once the stuff of science fiction, making every drive an exciting experience. They offer a thrilling driving experience with instant torque and smooth acceleration. The performance of electric vehicles is unmatched, providing a seamless and exhilarating ride. Plus, they're incredibly quiet, making for a more peaceful ride. The absence of engine noise means you can enjoy a tranquil journey, whether you're driving through a bustling city or a quiet neighborhood. At the heart of this EV revolution lies the battery. Battery technology has advanced rapidly in recent years. We are seeing higher energy densities, longer lifespans, and lower costs. The biggest breakthrough on the horizon: solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries promise to be a game-changer. They offer significantly higher energy density compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. This means EVs can travel much farther on a single charge. They also charge faster and are inherently safer. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge, is a thing of the past. With advancements in battery technology and the proliferation of charging stations, electric vehicle owners can now travel with peace of mind. Charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding. Cities and towns are investing heavily in EV charging networks, making it easier than ever to find a charging station wherever you go. Ultra-fast chargers can now replenish hundreds of miles of range in just minutes. These high-speed chargers are strategically placed along major highways and in urban centers, ensuring that long-distance travel is seamless and efficient. Imagine grabbing a coffee while your EV gets juiced up for your next adventure. Many charging stations are conveniently located near cafes, restaurants, and shopping centers, turning charging time into a pleasant break. Beyond public charging, home charging solutions are becoming increasingly popular and convenient. Home chargers allow you to charge your vehicle overnight, ensuring you start each day with a full battery. Imagine plugging in your EV overnight and waking up to a full charge every morning. No more gas stations. This convenience is one of the many reasons why more people are making the switch to electric vehicles. Section 4. Performance and Design. EVs push the boundaries. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are revolutionizing the automotive industry with their cutting-edge technology and innovative designs. Modern EVs shatter the myth that electric cars are slow and boring. They are now synonymous with speed, performance, and excitement. Take the Tesla Model S Plaid, for instance. This car is a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. This electric beast can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Such acceleration is unheard of in most traditional vehicles. That's faster than most supercars. The Tesla Model S Plaid is redefining what we expect from high-performance vehicles. But it's not just about speed. The interior of the Tesla Model S Plaid is packed with advanced technology and luxurious features, making it a joy to drive. Electric trucks like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning are proving that EVs can be rugged and capable too. These trucks are designed to handle tough terrains and heavy loads. They offer impressive towing capacity and off-road prowess. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, these electric trucks are up to the task. Additionally, the convenience of charging and the integration of renewable energy sources make these vehicles even more appealing. The future of transportation is electric, and it's here to stay. Section 5. Smart EVs, driving into the future. EVs are becoming smarter than ever. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, are becoming increasingly common. Features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking enhance safety and convenience. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are leading the charge in autonomous driving technology. Self-driving EVs promise to revolutionize transportation, making it safer, more efficient, and more accessible.